Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s 5G. Start by turning off your smartphone using the power button. Next, simultaneously hold down the volume up and power keys. Release the power button when the Redmi logo appears, but continue holding the volume up until you see the recovery mode on the screen. Once in recovery mode, use the volume rocker to scroll down and select wipe data. Confirm the selection by pressing the power button. In the subsequent menu, choose wipe all data and confirm again. Return to the main menu by selecting back to main menu. From there, select reboot. Finally, choose reboot to system. During this process, be aware that all your files will be removed. After the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.